In January 2025, during the Iranian air defense military exercise dubbed Eqtedar 1403, the Iranian armed forces unveiled the Tondar mobile air defense missile system. This latest addition to Iran's air defense arsenal is designed to intercept and destroy aerial targets at high altitudes, a critical component of the country's growing defense capabilities. The unveiling of the Tondar system occurs against the backdrop of escalating tensions with Israel, which has long been considered a major adversary, especially regarding Iran's nuclear ambitions and regional activities. Iran's focus on strengthening its indigenous air defense systems has been fueled not only by the threat of military action from Israel but also by the continuing effects of international sanctions that limit the country's access to foreign military technology. The Tondar system, showcased during Eqtedar 1403, is a mobile short-range air defense missile system developed by Iran to bolster its ability to protect key assets from aerial threats. Designed to intercept and destroy various low-flying targets such as small aircraft, cruise missiles, and air-launched precision-guided munitions, the Tondar system provides a crucial layer of defense for military installations, airfields, and other strategic sites. Its short-range capabilities allow it to be deployed rapidly to protect high-value assets from attacks at low altitudes, which are often difficult to detect and intercept using conventional air defense systems. The Tondar's mobile nature means that it can be quickly relocated to different parts of the country, offering flexibility in defending against dynamic threats in a complex battlefield environment. This new air defense system is part of Iran's broader strategy to reduce reliance on foreign technology, which has been severely impacted by the sanctions imposed by Western countries, particularly the United States. These sanctions have limited Iran's ability to procure advanced defense systems from major international suppliers like Russia or China. In response, Iran has increasingly focused on developing its own weapon systems, including air defense platforms, ballistic missiles, and drones. The Tondar is a significant step in this ongoing effort, and it joins a growing list of indigenous Iranian systems, such as the Bavar 373, which competes with the Russian-made S-300, and the Khordad-15, a mobile air defense system capable of targeting aircraft and missiles at medium and long ranges. The development and deployment of the Tondar system are also a direct response to the rising tensions with Israel. Israel's Air Force, one of the most advanced in the world, has been a long-standing threat to Iranian military and nuclear facilities. With advanced technologies such as stealth aircraft, precision-guided munitions, and long-range missile systems, Israel is perceived by Iran as a significant military challenger in the region. Iran's decision to prioritize short-range air defense systems like the Tondar reflects its intent to protect critical infrastructure from Israeli airstrikes, which could potentially target military bases, nuclear facilities, or other strategic sites in Iran. The Tondar air defense system's ability to neutralize small aircraft, cruise missiles, and precision-guided munitions at low altitudes positions it as a vital component of Iran's defense strategy, particularly in scenarios where adversaries like Israel might use advanced airstrikes or drone attacks. The Tondar system's combat capabilities further enhance Iran's multi-layered defense approach, which aims to protect the country from a wide array of air threats. Equipped with advanced radar and guidance systems, the Tondar is believed to have the ability to track and engage multiple targets simultaneously, ensuring rapid responses to evolving threats. Although specific details on the missile's range and guidance systems remain scarce, it is expected that the Tondar utilizes technologies developed indigenously by Iran's defense industry, with a focus on maintaining flexibility and adaptability in high-stakes scenarios. The unveiling of the Tondar is indicative of Iran's growing self-reliance in defense technologies, a necessity brought on by the long-standing sanctions that have limited access to foreign arms and technology. This strategy is not only about enhancing national security but also about asserting Iran's technological prowess in the defense sector. Over the past decade, Iran's defense industry, led by the Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, has made significant strides in producing advanced weaponry, including ballistic missiles and drones, while continuing to develop sophisticated air defense systems like the Thunder.